Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a blog on blogger.com. So first thing you're going to want to do is type in blogger.com in the search bar. Then it's going to take you to this page and you're either going to press create your blog or sign in. After we have signed in using our Google account, it's going to ask us to create a new blog. Here we're going to enter the title. It's easy, you can name the blog whatever you want. So for this, we're just going to name it whatever we want. This is just an example. And here's going to make us type in our address. So we're going to Lila teaches, like that. There we go. Now we press next and display name, Lila, of course. There. Now we're practically done and we can just make our blog. Here it's going to show us the stats, earnings, comments, and everything. So before we start our new post, let's go to theme. Here it's going to show you a bunch of different themes, all of which are really great. So you're going to scroll down until you find one that really applies to your blog. So I think mine would probably be one of these, the Notable, but let's keep looking just in case. So let's go here and I'm going to pick this one. It's pink, light, and we can even customize it if we want. Here is the main color theme. You can change it to anything you want, and you can even make your own custom color. That's what's so amazing about it. Now let's save it. There we go. Now let's cancel. And yeah. Let's go. Click on the blogger icon. And we can start on our new post. Here we type in the title of our post here, so you can name it whatever you want this post to be called, or maybe my trip to Italy. So now that we've named the blog, the blog name post, we're going to start writing. So let's type in cool places to visit in Paris. And if we want to add images or videos or even links, we can, but instead let's add bullet points so we can start writing. So we're only going to do about 3 because we're just setting as an example. So let's go. The first place is the Eiffel Tower, then maybe the Louvre Art Museum, and one more, Luxembourg Gardens. There we go. Now that's pretty much it. So let's click on publish and confirm. Now it has published the post. So yeah, that's it. If we want to click on view blog, it's going to take us to our blog. And yeah, now we're of course going to want to customize it and change the theme. So let's go to theme and pick the one we want. This one, here it is, and apply. There we go. Now let's view blog, and now it's going to be much different. So we can just maybe go to the tab, and here it is, my trip to Italy. And yeah, that's it. Of course, you're probably going to want to make your blog longer and with more detail, but this is just an example. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.